Hey guys, Fan56 back here again. Here we are at Sears Retail Park in SOLIHUL, and it's lift tour time. And now we go along to some nice Siemens halogen traffic lights. And now we're going to go along to our first lift, which is in the former Comet, which is now a Next. Now normally Next have stupid Oakland lifts, which it does, but they've been modernised by the Express Lifts Alliance. And there's also a nice clean room, which we'll ride first. Yes, this is also my first clean room.
First floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
Oh, that door squeaks a little bit.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now we go along to the next lift, which are some horrible Oaklands, which have been modernised by the Express Lift Alliance. And I almost got stuck in these lifts after I tried to safety brake one of them. And I regret safety braking one of them. And I'm not going in that lift again. So yeah. Cheap Evans Lift Alliance. Betas. What?
I'll wait here for you, alright? Come straight back up, yeah? Alfie? Straight back up, right, mister? Yeah?
Stuff?
I'm the bed for you.
Text. Stuff. Just chimes look alright then.
Come in.
First floor.
Oh, they're not. Oh, they're Express Lift Alliance.
Mind the doors, please.
Yeah. These are cheap. Express Lift Alliance, Clearman. Safety brake. Ooh. Does get stuck in here? Hello? Stuck in here? Oh.
Lift going up. Ground floor.
It's okay. It's okay now. Phew. Not going in that thing again. Yeah. Stupid generic broke down on me.
Mind the door.
I'm not riding that thing again. It's horrible. These next two clips are sponsored by the Helpful Tour Guides. If you want to find an old lift, they will help you. And now we go along to the best lifts of the video. This lift is in TK Maxx, and it is an Otis Gen 2. Again, one more way.
Doors closing.
1,000 kilos, 13 persons. You were in 2015.
Doors opening.
Again, I love Otis Gen 2.
Going down. Doors closing.
And look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi.
Ground floor.
It's an Otis.
Doors opening. Going up. Doors
One more ride,
closing.
and that'll be it.
First floor.
Again,
These are European Otis Micro Touch. Door close button does not work. And I'm going to film on HomeSense too, which is the same as this, but still, I'll film it.
Ground floor.
You hear that weird clunking noise? There's Otis logo. I think he's going back upstairs to see his dad now. I hope he's allowed in there, so I'm a bit worried. That was a great ride. The one in HomeSense is my favourite, but we'll film that one in a minute. Again, there's your call station. I love Otis. Well, the next video will be of the one in HomeSense.
Now over to the lift in HomeSense. The lift here is a nice Otis Gen 2. There's also a lift in not Homebase, in Oak Furnitureland. But knowing what Oak Furnitureland are like, they'll probably have a stupid platform lift, so I didn't go in there.
Right, this is a retake, but this is my second attempt of filming the elevator here at HomeSense. This is for all my friends at Otis. It's the same as the one in TJ Maxx. Exact same. So yeah. Except this one is a bit older and it was installed in 2013. Let's take a ride. This is my favourite. I'll let you anyway.
First floor.
Right, cabinet time. It's the same as the one in TJ Maxx. Exactly the same. There's nothing different about it. Pretty basic. Got the European Otis Gen 2 fixtures. Go back down.
Ground floor.
We'll take one more ride.